Currently, one issue which is at its peak, that is boycott China. Simultaneously, Atmanirbhar Bharat have also created confusion in the minds of Indians. इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि कैसे चाइना ने आत्मनिर्भरता का उपयोग करके सभी देशों को अपने ड्रैगन के जाल में रखा है एंड हाउ इंडिया कैन ओवरकम दिस सिचुएशन। तो इस वीडियो को आखिर तक जरूर देखिए। डू शेयर दिस वीडियो। लेट्स शो इंडियाज यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी टू द वर्ल्ड। Many of you might have question in your mind, that is, how China became manufacturing hub. China being communist state, political power is in one hand. China have multi-party political system, but ये सब सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए। Communist Party of China have approximately 9 crore members, and other 8 smaller parties hold little power in National People's Congress. National People's Congress is Indian Parliament like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Secretary of Communist Party of China is elected from the member and not elected by people, who ultimately becomes President of China. Current Secretary and President is Xi Jinping. आपने स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा कम्युनिज्म जिसमें लेबर क्लास रूल करता है एंड दिस सिस्टम वाज क्रिएटेड टू अपोज डिक्टेटरशिप ऑफ कैपिटलिस्टिक. नाउ यू डिसाइड whether labor class is ruling China or a dictator. Political parties speaking about democracy, Lokshahi, in China are illegal and banned. That's the reason government in China holds complete power of state assets. In 1980, China opened up their economy for global companies and started providing labor in cheap price. For example, in USA, if labor cost is $15 per hour, then Chinese labor can work for $3 to $4 per hour, which attracted manufacturing units in China. और फिर सिलसिला शुरू हो गया मेड इन चाइना का. But they had clear intentions for setting up these units, that is, learn the technology and create a copy of that. China, which was mainly agricultural nation by 1978 and used to have $200 billion economy, had grown to $15 trillion economy and had 15% of global assets in present situation. और ये सब मुमकिन हुआ सिर्फ एक कारनामे से, वो है मैन्युफैक्चर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स. Phase of 1980 to 2010 have seen major technological advancement, and Chinese eastern coast cities like Shenzhen, Dongguan developed themselves as world's largest electronic manufacturing hubs. The eastern coast cities had great advantage, that is cheap water transport to USA and European nations. All major electronic brands such as Apple, Samsung, Philips, HP have at least one component manufactured in China. Now these cities are also manufacturing their own products like OnePlus, Oppo, which hold great value in global market. Now let's move to next question, that is क्या boycott China इंडिया के लिए मुमकिन है? In 2014, China had approximately $17 billion imports, that is आयात, from India, whereas India had $57 billion imports from China. So if we think practically, India will suffer more due to boycott China. अब ये जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इस प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन क्या है. इंडिया मोस्टली इंपोर्ट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स, मशीनरी, आयरन एंड स्टील, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स एक्सेट्रा. तो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन हैं कि हम इनका उपयोग करना छोड़ दें, विच इज क्वाइट इम्पॉसिबल, एंड सेकेंड, स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन इंडिया. हियर कम्स आत्मनिर्भर भारत. महात्मा गांधी जी ने दिया हुआ स्वदेशी का नारा अब याद आ रहा होगा. Before China becoming manufacturing hub, countries used to create products in their own land. That is, for example, USA will cater need of their own citizens. But globalization brought world closer, at the same time dependent as well. इसलिए Chinese application uninstall करने से ज़्यादा important है start thinking out of the box. In 1980, when China opened up their economy, their major advantage was youth population, which had about 60% share in their total population. They learned, modified themselves with the ongoing process. India at the present time also youthful country, where 64% of total population is in working age, that is 20 to 60 years. Now, as China lost its labor competitiveness in present time, it started buying companies across the world. People's Bank of China is the world's richest bank and in the hands of government. Recently, they brought 1% share of India's housing bank. You might be thinking 1% ही तो है, इतना क्या टेंशन. बट इसी तरीके से कंपनीज लाइक Zomato, Flipkart, Baiju, Paytm have share of Chinese companies. अब सोचिए, if China enters into Indian companies and have shares in them, it's like we'll go into British era, with the only difference that you will be getting your salary from China and not from India. So this is the high time. अगर इस वक्त हमने भारत के लिए काम नहीं किया, तो जो सैनिक सीमाओं की रक्षा कर रहे हैं वो भी हमें इस चुनौती से बचा नहीं पाएंगे. Because here economy collapses, not the government. Also, there is a prediction that Third World War might be an economic war. Let's work together for our future and make India a stronger, ethical and united nation. वी आर स्टार्टिंग न्यू सीरीज दैट इज साइंस फॉर आत्मनिर्भर भारत, जिसमें हम 21 आइडियाज आपसे शेयर करेंगे so that you can take India towards Atmanirbharta. Let's start the period of Made in India because now it's time to think out of the box. Stay tuned, stay safe and united.